and do disco. Ready? Other way. Let's put both arms up, see if we can do it. Go in a circle, guys, just like this. We're gonna swim. Other way. Now hold your nose. Oh, you guys are awesome, especially this front row. We're gonna do freestyle. Let me say how you do it. This is the Cupid Shuffle, guys. We're breaking it down on stage, getting ready for all the awesome performances. All right, what should we do? Oh, I like that. Oh, point up to the sky like this. Now shimmy. Oh, look at those shimmies down there. And make some noise! You guys are awesome. I want to welcome everybody that's just joining us to Burbank. We are kicking off the 12 days of holiday cheer here. This is awesome. Make some noise if you saw the tree lighting ceremony that took place. I know, wasn't it awesome? Minnie, Mickey, Santa Claus, Mrs. Claus, and my friend Ernie D was here too. Who's excited for the holidays? Anybody out there?